and the United States set to grow at 3% per year in the year 2012. Now, how long will it take for China's GDP per capita to double? Okay, so the way we find that out, we have to use the formula of interest rate compounding or compounded interest. Okay, and the compounded interest is A stands for the amount that we want after a period, and P stands for the principal. Okay, and 1 plus R over N raised to the power NT. Raised to the power NT. Now we said we want to know how long it's going to take for China's GDP per capita, or in fact for the USA's GDP per capita to double. So what we do is that we're going to, this A becomes 2P, because we want to know how long it's going to take for the principal to double. Okay, so we're going to call this A 2P, and then we're going to, over P, 1 plus, the interest rate is 9%, isn't it? So the interest rate is 9%, so we're going to put 0.09 is 9% divided by, and the year is per year. 1. So it's 1. So it's going to be 1. And here, raised to the power 1 multiplied by t, because we're looking for t. Okay, so now you can't have two variables. You cannot have two variables in an equation. So we have variable p and we have variable t. You can't have two variables in an equation. So we have to eliminate 1. Okay, so we have to eliminate p. And the way we do that, we divide 2p over p, and over here we also divide over p. So when we divide, then we have p cancel out, p cancel out. Okay, so then we have 2 is equal to 1 plus 0.09 over 1 raised to the power 1 parenthesis upon t. Okay, so now we want to solve for t, but t is an exponent. When you have an exponent in an equation, you have to simplify it using the natural logarithm. Okay, so the natural logarithm is ln 2, okay, which is equal to 1 plus 0.09 over 1 raised to the power excuse me, 1 point, okay, ln2, which is t, going to bring this t down, okay, raised to the ln 1 plus 0.09 over 1, okay, over 1, because t times 1 is t, okay. So what you do now, you're now going to divide by ln, so ln 1 plus 0.09, okay. 0.09 divided by 1 is same as 0.09, so you just forget the 1 denominator, okay, which is equal to t, which is equal, so, and then here you have ln 1 plus 0.09, okay, and then now you cancel out. ln 1 plus 0.09, you cancel out this. Okay, so what you see here, you see t now is isolated. Okay, t is now isolated. So what do you have? So you have ln 2 over ln 1 plus 0.09. Okay, which is equal to t, which is equal to t. Okay. So if you use the scientific calculator, so you're going to find out that t Okay. Okay. Okay, so it's Miami-Dade Wi-Fi, but I'm not intending to use it. I don't know why it came on. Okay. So what do you think? Okay, I will explain it again. So I think you just stop there and
it's on now.
Okay, okay. So T is equal to ln. So when you have your scientific calculator, okay. So if you have your scientific calculator, you go to okay. So you press ln on your scientific calculator. Press ln 2. That's going to give you point. It's going to give you point 0.693 147 1806 over ln 1.09, because 1 plus 0.09 is 1.09 divided by ln 1.09. So that's going to give you altogether, that's going to give you altogether, T will be equal to, okay, so T will be equal to 8.04, okay, which is same as T is equal to 8 years. Okay, T is equal to 8 years, yes. Yeah, because 0.09 divided by 1 is same as 0.09. Okay. Any number divided by 1, yes, is the numerator. Any numerator divided by a denominator, and if that denominator is 1, so it is the numerator. So so T is equal to 8 years. So the question, how long will it take for China's GDP to double? Okay, 8 years. 8 years. Okay, so thank you. So okay, I'm gonna stop that. So let me do that.